Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how to make a PDF file from pictures. For this, first we will go to Play Store and then from there we will search for an app. See, there are many apps which can be used for making PDF. Okay, I have been using Clear Scanner, so I will explain this app. Write Clear Scanner here and start searching. Okay, and then install it. I have already installed it on my mobile, so it is showing the option of open. Fine. Okay, now it is installed. Then you search it on your screen and then you will get an icon for Clear Scanner. Click on that. Okay, there are few documents already made in this, so we want to create a new document. If you see carefully, at the bottom we have two icons. One is for gallery and other one is for camera. If you have already clicked the pictures, you can go to gallery option and select the pictures. Okay, I am going to use camera option, so I am clicking on camera icon from the bottom. See, it will open your mobile camera. You could focus on the page and then you click on it, capture it. See, it is clicked and then it is showing you a green color border which can be adjusted like this. You can adjust the boundaries. Fine, and then you click on this tick sign which is at the bottom right side. Okay, and then we have three options above. You can try which one is looking better. Okay, I am clicking on Docs 1. Click on the tick sign again. So the one picture is clicked. Now I want to click further more pictures. I will again be clicking on the camera option and then click the next picture. Okay, adjust the border. Fine, like this. And finally, if you are satisfied, then you click on the tick sign. Again, there are three options on the top. I am satisfied with this output, so I am clicking on tick sign. Okay, one more. Click on the camera again and then click on the third picture. Okay, adjust the border. Okay, once satisfied, click on tick sign. Tick again. Right now there are three pictures in this document, and if I want to change the order of the pictures, that can be also done. Click on the picture for which you want to change the order and then move it like this. See, I can change the order of any picture. Now we will click on the three dots which is at the top right side, and you will get the rename, share and PDF setting, import from file option. So I will click on rename, because when you want to send a file to somebody, its name should be appropriate. So suppose if your name is Aman, okay, you write your name first, put dash or underscore, and then write your class. If you are in third A, write third A here, again maybe dash, and then the name of the assignment. Fine. Like this, and then you click on OK. So if you see at the top, the name of the file is changed. It is now Aman-3A-assignment1. Now we will learn how to send this PDF to Google Classroom. See, there are 3 dots on the right side of this file. You click on these 3 dots and then click on Share option. You will get a list in which there is an option Classroom. Click on that. And now on the top, it is showing one of the class. Click here on the right side and it will show you rest of the classes also. So suppose I want to share or I want to post this work in 3C computer. I will click on that and then click on Attach to Assignment option. It will show you a list of assignments posted by your teacher. Click on the assignment. Now see, the file is attached here, Aman 3rd A assignment 1, and we are only required to now click on hand in option. Click on hand in and you are done. You have submitted your work. Thank you.